Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Feast your eyes on this majestic dwelling place, which is nestled in the affluent community of Queen Ale, Kingston 19, Jamaica. It sits on 0.4 acres of land. Enjoy the pleasure of overlooking the busy city of Kingston and its waterfront from any of the balconies in this home, all while being swayed by the majestical breeze that favors the area. This abode has 4 levels inside, which you will find 6 spacious bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, laundry rooms, and helpers' quarters. This home awaits its new owner, and their special touch and TLC will turn this home into the perfect dream or vacation property. All reasonable offers will be considered. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.